Hello and welcome friends. So as I told you in the last tutorial that I'm going to upload a video saying about the char. So this is the char function. The char function is used to store numbers, letters and numbers, letters and symbols. Basically like you can store usernames like any whatever Android gmail.com. So it can store things like this, but there is a different thing which I have to remember every time on using this. So I'm going to show you one of that. So while using, okay, I can show you things. Okay, I think so. No. Okay, so this was the previous one. So I have to show you the new one. Okay. So what you're going to do over here is you have to add a status like in the in the int function and in the float function. It's like you can just store anything. Means the limit has been given to you. You can store more than that or less than that. Okay, you can store only less than that or equal to that. In the what is it char function, you can only store, means you can keep its limit. You can keep it like 10,000 or 10 million, which is not means usually required, but you can keep it that. So here char a, you have to use a square bracket and thing like, wait, 20. Now I'm going to enter clear screen printf, type your name slash backslash n scanf. So over here you are going to use percentage s comma and a. Okay, those are simple steps which is that printf hi backslash n. Okay, hi percentage s, okay, comma a and get. So that's a simple program with the that's a simple program using the char. So control F9 or watch. Okay. Yeah. So type your name. I write my name V and it gave like hi V. Okay. So over here, but over here you have a means you have it. You have limitations of if you add a very big name like that. Okay, and with spaces it won't accept. It only accept till that means before the space. Okay, so as you have seen that it had cleared its screen also before it did the getch and it had repeated. So those are means things you will see find it out when you exceed the limit. You can also not means if I write any other name like my V Shah, which is my real name. Okay, where I write, so it will show only V. So the things after the space won't be recorded, even the space. To record that, we use the function known as puts and gets function. Even that's a very good function, which I'm going to cover it in this lesson. Okay, F3 tab. Yeah. So that this is one function. We use the same thing, char. Okay. Just yeah. Char clear screen puts enter your name, gets name, printf high percentages name. Right? So where what happens that you have to add one more library function which is hash include string.h. In the string.h you get this puts and gets function. So in the puts function you write enter your name. Puts is basically what you show on the screen and gets is what you take it. String is basically used to play with the letters and all. That's why you don't have to mention that this is a char function or like that. So gets a name, which I kept it here. Hi printf. Now over here I've used the printf function to show you that in the printf you have to use that. You can also use like a puts function, like puts hi and name. I think so this will work. I don't know. But I basically use the printf function to show the required, or control F9. Even this will do the same work, but like wheel, hi wheel, control F9. But if I write wheel sha, it will show hi wheel sha. So that's a very good advantage of puts and gets. Okay, you can use it in many other ways and different things. Okay, comment below down if you can use it in this function, like puts and hi, whatever the name is. Okay, please comment that and let me know if there is any function. Write the script below also. Don't forget that hash includes string.h is very important, and without it it won't work. String.h also has many other works which I'm going to cover in the next lessons, but not now. Okay, so bye bye, and please hit the subscribe button. Okay.